Now we're going to look at applying an Autodesk material that we will use as a submaterial to be applied to the glass. If you're following along from the previous section, you don't need to do anything. If not, open the file Chapter 16 Office Suite Material 05.max. From the main toolbar, open the Compact Material Editor. Here, select the AEC window material that was created. The material is a multi-subobject material that we will be using for the windows. We're going to start out working with Material ID 3, the glass. Click on the Material button for Material ID 3. This opens the Material Map browser. Navigate down to the Materials Mental Ray rollout and open it. From the Mental Ray rollout, select Autodesk Glazing Material from the list and click OK. Back in the Material Editor, in the middle, on the left, we can see that we are in Material number 3, and this ID is named Glass. Let's name the material itself, Glass, in the name type in, and press Enter. The Autodesk materials have been developed to make creating physically accurate materials much easier. Doing lighting analysis using the Autodesk materials can make life a little easier because it will generate physically accurate results as a function of the material itself. In this case, if you're creating glazing for exterior windows, you need to have a material that's going to perform in a certain way. Let's take a look at the material. At the top of the glazing rollout, we have the color parameter. We're going to leave this clear, but if you click the drop-down, you'll notice there are several preset color options, as well as the ability to use a custom color. The reflectance value we'll leave as 15. This value specifies that the glass will have a reflection amount of 15%, which means that 15% of the energy hitting the window will be reflected off. Sheets of glass indicates how many polygons light from the outside will have to go through in order to get into the room that we'll be rendering. If you're using the AEC window objects as we are, they create windows using 2 polygons for the glass, one for the exterior and one for the interior. Since we are using an AEC window object, we want the sheets of glass parameter set to 2. We now have the Autodesk material created and configured the way we want. Click Go to Parent in the lower toolbar of the Material Editor to get back to the top level of the multi-subobject material. Save and increment this file to Chapter 16 Office Suite Material 06. If you're asked to overwrite a file, go ahead and overwrite it.